C maibago gi riwruok matayo tuke adhule pacho ka FKF. Tiegruok no mane itayo gi kocha Zedekaya Otieno gi Salim Ali en achiel kuom tiegruoge ma FKF nosingo timone skunde chenro motesi ni the Football for School Programs mane ochaki dwe mar 7 higani. Tiegruok mag kocha biro dhi nyime kinde ka kinde ka kocha matimo tiegruok mar CAF A bende dhi nyime boma ma Nairobi. Riwruok mar FKF koro singo mar chiwo piche adhula ne skunde mopogore opogore.
There's a program which was rolled out by FKF in the primary school level about some structure for youth football. And I think this is one of the motives which has has pushed me to venture into coaching, so that when the federation has decided to move higher to the secondary level, I can be, it will find me well equipped with the knowledge, and I'm aware of everything.
This is through our pathway, FKF pathway, coaching pathway. I think this is the highest for youth coaches. So we are just happy for them that they can go back and impact